Okay, here go part two of the bag germination. See, we got a lot of condensation inside the bag. Oh, snap. Yeah, a lot of them pop. Everything in me got to try one just because I can see the tail. If I can see the tail, I know it could go ahead and do its thing. These are sweetie tomatoes. They should get a nice little harvest. I'm using this. I don't know exactly what it's called. Somebody get in the comments and tell me exactly what it's called. Spork, spoon, fork, something. Tell me. I just went there, dug one out, placing. I ain't even gonna say I was too gentle for real. I'm just getting it in there just to see. We'll see how it turned out. As long as it got a tail on it, it should be all right. I'm just gonna put this bottle dome over it, and I'll get back with y'all next week. Let y'all know how it turned out. Bless.